Before I take you to jaunt, I have a question for you all. Do you have fake people in your life, or you have experienced someone is faking with you? By showing of your hand, few of you. All right, we are riding on the same horse, are riding the same bike, are riding the same boat. I do have fake people in my life. That's you all. On this auspicious, August and festive day of Eid, I know I'm disappointing you, but I mean it. Sorry for that in advance. Let me take you back in 1990s, when my younger brother, who is 2 years younger than me, Tanveer Ahmed, he failed in matric exams. That was something not shocking for him, but every one of us. He said, I cannot continue my studies at all. He said, I will work with father. I will go with him because that's what I love doing it. He said, if I study for next 10 years, end of the day I have to work. What makes a difference if I start doing today? That was not acceptable for any of our family members. We tried to convince him, no, you need to go back to the school and make sure the study is continued. We have never studied in a good school or college or university, but at least something is better than nothing. That's what we were trying to convince with. He refused. He said, I cannot. That's not my type. That's not something I feel I should be doing it. And I don't want to waste my next 5 years or 10 years doing something which I don't love, I don't like. Despite of all convincing, persuasion, inspiring stories, he refused straightforward on our face. Then he continued going with my father. When he started going, exactly about after 1 year, he stopped me going with my father because I was already going with him along with my studies. He said, you should not be going to work anymore. You continue your studies. So I started my study again. Started my college, then university. And I realized he did not just leave the school because he did not want to go to. He faced that challenge. He faked right in front of our face that he doesn't like to go to school. Reason being, he wanted to make money or support my father so I can study. Our remaining siblings can study. They can go to school and colleges. That's what he did. Such a fake boy. And today he's a man. I have a huge respect for him. I have a huge respect for such fake people. And I'm sure you have such fake people in your life as well, who fake to make you achieve your goals. Your father, your mother, they are faking every single day. If you are a father or a mother, you are faking every single day. You don't eat because your son, your daughter is first. I'm trying with my kids as well. My wife is doing with me. She's faking with me. Okay, she's happy. Her stomach is full. She serve me first, then she eats. These are the values we have. And such people, such fake people, they owe huge respect from us. We cannot give them back. That's a story of my life. Somebody dedicated his entire life for my education, my brother. I mentioned he's 2 years younger than me. Sometimes we don't know people, they grow faster than your imaginations, your thinking, just because of your values, because they want to do something for you. They want to continue the legacy. They want to be remembered forever in their lives. So they define their life is nothing but a jaunt, ever remembrance. Do you have such people in your life? I'm sure you have many in your life. Maybe your sister, your brother, your father, your mother, you yourself. That's the reason I'm disappointing you today. You are fake because you're making somebody smile. You're making somebody's life. Continue doing that. I love that part of being fake, fellow Toastmasters. I'm also learning it. I think that's something worth doing, worth spending time on it. We have such people around us who are doing faking for other purposes, but this purpose is a noble cause. If you call me, Amjad, you are fake because you praise somebody for no reason. He did not do well, but you praised him. I love that being faked, because I know that fakeness will make that person's life, if not now, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. If somebody is feeling great, somebody got something for few seconds, few minutes or a day, my purpose of life is met. Please continue faking if you're doing as such in your life to make people feel special. I'm holding this tagline in my life. I'm a fake dude. I'm sure you are. Fellow fakers, I love being part of your society. Let's continue faking and make people feel special.